But in war especially, it isn't always size that counts. Take the Hurricane, for instance, that most adaptable of aircraft. This famous fighter is now being used as a low-level bomber in sweeps over enemy-occupied territory and against shipping. The Hurry bombers carry two 250-pounders, and when the bombs have been dropped, they can still beat up a target with their guns. When the Germans used their MEs for bombing, they flew them at great heights and dropped their eggs more or less at random. But this is the height at which the Hurricane does it. At 0 feet and at about 300 miles an hour. The enemy gets the full benefit of the delayed action bomb, and he's got plenty more coming his way.